Hi everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use leverage in cTrader. First, it's important to understand that leverage is controlled by your broker, not directly through cTrader. Your account's leverage depends on the broker settings and account type, so it cannot be changed from within the platform itself. Next, to check your current leverage, open cTrader and go to Trade, then select Account Info. Here, you can see your account balance, equity, and the leverage assigned to your account. Reviewing this ensures you know exactly how much leverage you are using before placing any trades. After that, when you want to open a trade, choose the lot size or the number of units you want to trade. cTrader will automatically calculate the margin required for the trade based on the leverage your account has. This shows how much of your funds are being used to control the position. Remember that increasing the lot size will effectively increase your leverage. This means potential profits can be higher, but your risk is also greater. Always make sure your account has enough margin to cover the trade and consider the risk before entering large positions. If you need to change your leverage, you must do it through your broker's account settings. After making any changes, reconnect your account to cTrader so the new leverage settings take effect. By following these steps, you can manage your trades safely while taking full advantage of the leverage offered by your broker in cTrader. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.